Hello! In front of me I have Blackview R3 Max and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the language on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon and here you should see your R3 Max on the device page. Now scroll down and find the option called Universal Settings. Tap on it and here you should see the option called Device Language. Tap on it and we have the list of languages we can select from. Find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and after a couple of seconds it should be applied. So if I wake up the screen on our watch, you should see that it's in German. Now we can select the English and it's gonna change to English. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.